Welcome back, as we now look at the procedures for replacing alternator bearings. The removal of the drive end bearing is most usually the simple task of taking out a retainer plate and just pressing out the bearing as demonstrated. The most effective method of removing the rear bearing from the rotor shaft is with a puller or a press. In our demonstration, an arbor press is being used, where the rotor is set up beneath the press ram using a simply constructed support arrangement. Pressure is exerted upon the rotor shaft to release the bearing. Before fitting new bearings, the shaft should be inspected for any damage. Alternators generally employ 2 different sized bearings. However, both bearings must be of the double-sealed type. The smaller of the 2 is used on the slip ring end of the shaft. Again, the arbor press is utilized for installation. The rotor must be centrally aligned beneath the press ram, and the bearing pressed all the way down onto the shaft spigot. Before fitting the drive end bearing, it may be necessary to clean the bearing support area, and, if necessary, dress any high spots to ensure a correct push fit of the new bearing. The bearing should fit neatly without undue force. The retainer plate is next installed and the screws secured firmly. The bearing support area within the main housing should, if necessary, be cleaned and checked for any high spots that could interfere with the bearing alignment. After the break, we shall commence the alternator assembly procedure.